The West Stand at the iconic Sharjah cricket stadium has been renamed the Sachin Tendulkar stand in a special ceremony today. Reacting to the news of naming the stand, Sachin said in a message, "I wish I was there, but unfortunately I had prior commitment. Playing in Sharjah has always been a magnificent experience, from the electrifying atmosphere to the love, affection, and support. Sharjah has been a special venue for Indian cricket fans of the game from around the globe." Sachin said, "A big thanks Mr. Bukhatar and his team for this kind gesture on 25th anniversary of the Death Storm match and my 50th birthday." Commenting on the decision to pay this tribute, Sachin on the anniversary of Desert Storm, the CEO of the Sharjah Stadium, Khalaf Bukhatar, said, "This is our small way of expressing our gratitude of Sachin for doing so much for the game of cricket. Indeed, that was an incredible innings and it was repeated in the finals. Right through the year of the now legendary CBFS initiative, we have striven here at Sharjah to acknowledge the services of many great players even after their retirement. We believe that as administrators, it is our duty to pay tribute to those who have raised the bar and dedicated their lives to the cause of cricket, and we will continue to do so." Rabia Ashraf with the cameraman at the reporting team, Amarat News, Dubai.
Very great occasion for us to celebrate Sachin Tendulkar stand unveiling, and of course Sharjah has happened because of these matches that has taken place in the 90s. So we are very happy and proud about this occasion. Sharjah has a lot of legends who played here. We have plans on the way, inshallah, and we will see a lot of stands being named after legends. Inshallah, we have a lot of we have players from Pakistan also in our mind, which will be unveiled soon, and we have from Sri Lanka, of course. These all legends have made Sharjah what it is today. That is also the best match that has happened here, if you know. So of course, Jamia has a big place in our hearts and in the stadium. Inshallah, we'll see soon an unveiling of that also. Inshallah.
Thanks. देखिए, आज शारजा के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है और हम लोग हर वक्त चाहते थे कि ऐसा कोई इवेंट आए जो लेजेंड्स को CBFS ने सपोर्ट किया है, रिटायर्ड प्लेयर्स को सपोर्ट किया है. तो दिस इज़ द बिगनिंग. वी आर थैंकफुल टू मिस्टर अब्दुर्रहमान बखातर फॉर टेकिंग दिस इनिशिएटिव. और इंशाल्लाह अब आज सचिन तेंदुलकर है, कल जावेद भाई हो सकते हैं, और भी इतने सारे लेजेंड्स जो शारजा को इस मुकाम पे पहुंचाने के लिए जो उन्होंने हमारे लिए एक एजाज़ पैदा किया है. तो हम लोग चाहेंगे कि ज़रूर उनके भी नाम उनके भी स्टैंड्स बने. शारजा तो हर वक्त आपको पता है कि हम लोग सपोर्ट करते थे रिटायर्ड क्रिकेटर्स को. वही CBFS है जो क्रिकेटर्स बेनिफिट फंड सीरीज़ के नाम से चलते थे. तो हम आगे भी प्लान कर रहे हैं इंशाल्लाह. और बखातर साहब का उनकी एक विज़न है कि ये शारजा का जो तरीक़ा तौर है वो बिल्कुल उसको आगे भी चलाते रहें. और आजकल उनके बच्चे लड़के जो हैं वो दे आर वेरी कीन, वलीद और खलफ बखातर. तो इंशाल्लाह शारजा विल कंटिन्यू टू फ्लाई हाई. और आज देखिए आप 285 इंटरनेशनल गेम्स हो गए यहाँ पे, which I think we are far ahead of anybody else, anywhere else in the world.